Bitcoin has posted a brand new red dot today, and this means that we may be seeing a temporary move down. We are still of the opinion that we may see a short squeeze all the way up to around $80,000, but that is the absolute top I'm personally looking for before a rejection and crash back to the downside. In today's future forecast episode, we talked about this exact scenario, going over in about a 34-minute video where we expect the Bitcoin relief rally to end, our strategy for taking profits on the long trades, how many Bitcoin short trade buy limits have been hit so far, whether or not the altcoin season just officially kicked off, projected profits based on our current trades, and a review of how to prosper and make money no matter what happens next. Our traders are now prepared to make money whether the price increases or crashes. Either way, we are excited. Today's video is going to focus mostly on a potential rejection to the downside and breakout from this bear flag pattern, and how to catch the bottom in order to profit on your long trades. Really quick, you can access that future forecast in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows, the Pro Trade Manager, and I'm going to bring out the EMA Distance Analyzer as well. Right now, we sit in mild caution. The first thing that I want to talk about is this red dot. I'm going to tell you right now, we knew as soon as we opened up TradingView. I wasn't even looking at Bitcoin when TradingView was first pulled up, but I knew we got a red dot because as I clicked over to alerts, I saw the long take profit short entry alert fire. Check out the log right here, filed on April 14th. We knew this alert was there right off the bat as we started our day, and this means we are ready for some potential downside moves. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not personally trading anything on this red dot. I do expect a short move down before a continued fire up to around that $80,000 level, simply to test structure resistance. And we see this play out multiple times. It can often take a few red dots, with each one causing local drops, to fully result in a move down. This calls local tops, and it allows for trends to continue playing out. It's not until we see a reading in mild caution or neutral at the same time as we test this resistance that I'm really looking to potentially enter my own short trade. Now, for the long term, we actually have entered a short trade already, and we have hit a buy limit. As the price increases, SBIT decreases, allowing us to make buy limits and not risk our assets with potential liquidations. It allows us to use that risk management strategy. So as Bitcoin increases, we get into better and better positions in SBIT automatically. And this could be a great place to enter SBIT if you have not already. With that, that is not financial advice. It's just something that we're looking at. More importantly, as the price rejects and moves down, regardless of where that happens, as the price drops and when we finally break below support on our bear flag pattern, in order to drop to the absolute bottom of the bear market, we are then looking for max fear and fear as our entry signals. The reason why is fear and max fear call the bottom entry zone. Fear and max fear is when retail traders are scared and just getting rid of their crypto to retain as much cash as they can from their losses. And that time is where smart money is actively buying, because this is where we get discount crypto. Within this range, if the Pro Trade Manager throws a green dot, this functions similar to red dots but instead calls local bottoms, we can find a local bottom within the bottom entry zone, and usually this is going to call the exact, or at least very close to it, bottom of the bear market, just as it did here, and from that point to the absolute top of the next bull market was a 716% profit. From there, we can also use the EMA Distance Analyzer, looking for an instance of a long pink bar followed by a shorter pink bar, letting us know that we have suddenly reversed and are getting closer to the exponential moving average on the chart, adding another confirmation to the bottom signal. This is exactly what we're looking for. Drop, fear and max fear, green dot, with a long pink bar followed by a shorter one to confirm the exact entry. We're going to set some alerts real quick. We've already hit the long take profit short entry. We can delete these real quick because I also want to give you a tutorial on how to actually set these alerts. Click Create Alert, Pro Trade Manager, Keep it at a long entry short take profit, once per bar close, and click create. This signal will let you know when we get green dots. Next alert, market cycle highs and lows, looking for fear, once per bar close, and click create. After that, it's going to be market cycle highs and lows again, once per bar close, looking for max fear, click create. And these two alerts will, of course, let you know when we get fear and max fear on the chart. If you get all of these at the same time, or at least fear or max fear plus long entry short take profit, this is likely to be a great entry before massive moves up over the next couple of years. Snag these indicators if you are looking to earn maximum profit both on the way down and the way back up. With that in mind, guys, if you want to get access, our members get massive discounts. I'm talking $300 off, and all you need to do is head into the description of the video you're watching right now. Second link is what you're looking for. This will bring you to our sign up page where we're giving you 25% off your first month. That's less than $50 to get started. Head to AI Indicators. Reveal the coupon code here. That's going to give you $150 off each the Pro Trade Manager and the Market Cycle Highs and Lows. Click checkout on Gumroad here. I want this. Down here is going to be the Market Cycle Highs and Lows. Click it and add it to cart. And from there, add the EMA Distance Analyzer to cart as well. Throw in your membership code for $300 off, fill in your information, click pay, and you are good to go. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for that brand new future forecast episode. Don't miss out.